Okay, go to the next lesson, which is Morpho-phonological derivation matrix, lesson 3. I repeat it again and again. If you can tell this title, Morpho-phonological derivation matrix, practice this title, Morpho-phonological derivation matrix. Matrix, not matrix. Matrix. Okay, our word is run. We will use more affixes in more affix positions. In this lesson only suffix and prefix with verbs, nouns and adjectives. Okay, first one is base word, which is run. Maybe you'd like to run. If you practice how to run, you will be in the future, when you practice how to run, a good runner. Because you will run, and when you are a running man in your life, you will be good runner. This method running in your life, because this is very good method. If you overrun your brain with your overthinked method, you will lose your life. Think, this word was in our second lesson. And in your second lesson, I used overthinking word. Okay, next word is outrun. If you overthinking what would you like to say in English, or if you'd like to practice how to run, and you outrun from your body, you lost again and again this situation where you would like to achieve something in your life. Maybe in your mind you can rerun again how to achieve in your next time your goal, which is how to be better runner. If you running, you will be better in a run. You are a running man. You are a good runner. So that's all in this lesson. Again, repeat. In the second lesson of morphophonological derivation matrix was this base word, run. This was third lesson, not third lesson. Play with sound waves, and this allows for you will be better and better in your accent and in your fluency in English. Use this language. This is so simple language. Only use it in your daily life. Okay, go to the next lesson, please.